today this spring here is for a main stand on a motorcycle, same as a side stand as well. The best way to fit it, because they're really strong and you've got two on a main stand, is to pretension it by opening the gaps up. And we're going to put these pieces of plastic, which is made up of cable ties.
Zip tie.
Yeah, what an idiot, and he's not American, is he? It's a cable tie. So I've cut about 12 pieces off, yeah, and that should make this enough. There's several ways you can do it. You can use washers or pieces of metal, but we're going to use the pieces of cable tie, not zip tie. You can do it like this. You can go like that, and then if you put one in there, you have to bring it over and put it in the other side, otherwise it'll bend it all the way over if you put them all in one. So you have to do it alternate, but we're not going to do it like that. We're going to do it like this. I've got this old jack here. We're going to take it. We bought these off of Screwfix. I think, how much were they, cameraman?
£3.50 for two.
£3.50 for two. The good thing is, if you move that with your other hand, cameraman, undo it or do it up. One's left hand thread and one's a right hand thread, so you can get different lengths, which is good. So, but this, we're going to put that under there like that. We're going to hook that on there like that, and then we're going to screw this. Put the screwdriver into play now. I'm just going to. It doesn't normally slip. If you've got a bigger jack, you can always drill a hole in to let it locate. Pull that up there like that. Makes life so much easier. So I'm fully extended the jack, can't go no further. As you can see, that's just enough to get that in there like that. And then we're going to go alternate sides. Right, I've put those in. Now I'm going to release the tension by winding it down. Gone a little bit hard. It was about 95mm in length, and now it's just over 110mm. So we've given 15mm, and that should be enough to get the stand on. Thanks for watching.